Oh, hey, it's me, Mr. Clay. So, do you want to see what I've got today? I've got a brand new book called I Hear Nature. Guess who wrote this book? Yeah, I did. This is my very first book. Say, do you want me to read it to you? You do? Awesome. Let's go. On the front of it, there's a little boy, a dog, some butterflies, and some birds that look like they're singing. What do you think this book is about? You think it's about sounds because of the music notes? Yeah, that's a really good guess. And maybe the little boy and the dog are in the woods? Yeah, let's see if you're right. I Hear Nature by Clay Haddon, illustrated by Audrey Schmid. This book looks like so much fun. Let's go. Crunch, 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 crunch. I hear, what's something that goes crunch, crunch, crunch? Gravel and rocks under my shoes. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. I hear, what says whoosh? This kind of looks like air. Is it wind? Wind blowing through the trees. Look, it's blowing the dog's ears back. Flutter, 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 flutter. I hear, do you think it's this butterfly? Do you think they go flutter, 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 flutter? It's a real soft sound, right? A butterfly flapping in the breeze. And look, there's a little butterfly on the dog's nose. Buzz, 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 buzz. I hear, I know that sound. That's a bee zipping past my ear. Look at all those bees. Tweet, 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 tweet. I hear birds singing from their nests. Tweet, 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 tweet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 birds. That's a lot of tweets. Scratch, 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 scratch. I hear, what makes a scratching sound? Scratch, scratch. Squirrels scurrying through the bushes. You see that squirrel? They go scratch, 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 scratch. Babble, 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 babble. I hear, I think I know what this is. Where's the dog? Yeah, he's in the water. Water bubbling through a creek. Croak, 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 croak. I hear, I know that one. A frog says croak. A frog talking with their friends. Yeah, that's how frogs talk, right? Croak, croak, croak. Splash, 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 splash. I hear, well, we already said we heard a creek and water bubbling through the creek. I wonder what's making the splashing sound. My new friends splashing in a pond. Look, they're all going splash, 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 splash. They're playing in that pond. I see the frogs and the squirrels and the butterflies and the bees. Wow, they look so happy. I want to splash in a pond. I hear nature everywhere. Crunch, crunch, whoosh, whoosh, flutter, flutter, buzz, buzz, scratch, scratch, tweet, tweet, babble, babble, croak, croak, splash, splash. And look at the little dog. He's listening to all the sounds. Wow, so cool. Well, the book's over. What was your favorite sound? Mine was croak, croak, croak. That's what the frog says. Did you like the buzzing bees or the fluttering butterflies? Thanks so much for reading my new book with me. I hope you liked it. Remember, you are awesome, and I'll see you next time. Bye. This book is available at ninewisepublishing.com. Find materials to go with this book and other fun things at mrclayslp.com.